We have nearly 1,000 or even more than 1,000 delegates who have come from different colleges of Bangalore. It's a wonderful atmosphere. It has changed the atmosphere of St. Joseph's College, which was dull and dry because of COVID-19 for a very, very long time.
Lung cancer. One is small cell lung cancer, non-small cell lung cancer. Small cell lung cancer is most aggressive cancer, which starts from bronchi and affects the whole part. And non-small, specifically in lung cancer, the flow cell system clearly isolates and classifies the CDC. It provides alternative screen for early stage metastasis in convenient and fast manner in this modern technology world. Thank you, one and all.
You just mentioned about it.
It is an epithelial to mesenchymal transmission, ma'am.
Okay.
The epithelial, outer layer of the epithelial is converted to mesenchymal and it suppresses the mesenchymal, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how does it serve as a biomarker for metastasis?
Ma'am, in the blood flow, we can identify which is EMT and which is normal cells.
Okay.
By the reaction formed in epithelial to mesenchymal transmission, ma'am. It will show blue color variation, ma'am, under microscope.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Any questions?
So, okay, Harini, so what is malignancy or malignant tumor?
It is a prolonged tumor. Benign tumor, it is a starting stage of the tumor, and malignant is maybe in fourth stage.
There are two types of tumors, benign as well as
Benign and malignant.
Malignant. He is asking about malignant. What do you mean by benign as well as malignant?
Benign is the tumors just started to form in the body.
It is not cancerous. It is not harmful.
Non-cancerous and cancerous.
Yes. So
Okay,
malignant. Then.
So last question. Okay, which carcinogen present in the tobacco?
Carcinogen.
What is carcinogen? You know?
Carcinogen. But I couldn't get now.
Okay. Thank you.
You have used proteolytic enzymes, am I correct?
Proteolytic enzyme.
What are the types?
Types actually.
Which one you are so specific about?
For proteolytic.
Or general you are
Matrix metal peptidase.
peptidase?
Yes.
Correct.
It's the main type in lung cancer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anna.
Good, Harini. Thank you.
Shoot your question, sir.
You can encourage the students with a big round of applause.
In tobacco, the carcinogen is nicotine.
Nicotine.
You didn't heard about nicotine.
I
How much
heard,
percentage of nicotine is present in tobacco leaves and tobacco plants?
Heard, sir.
How they will be caused cancer. All the tobacco products are leading to cancers only, no? So that is a basic question you should know.
Okay. But that's the main cause for the lung cancer, sir. Okay.
Yes.
I know about this, but I couldn't get that suddenly.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
Anna.
But
Thank
good,
you, thank
good
you, thank
attempt, Harini. Good. Soundarya is there?
Yeah.
Yes.
My topic for today is T-cell therapy for cancer treatments. I request the judges to note that this is not a project paper. This is an ongoing project that's happening now also. I was a part of the team 3 years ago. So T-cell therapy, yeah. Yeah. So T-cell therapy, I have given the subheading a new gen therapy for the treatment of cancer. T-cell therapy is not quite new. It has been there for a long time. But yet, I call it a new gen therapy is because it has a lot of potential to be explored on various fields. Yesterday there was a free paper presentation by another student who was talking about CAR T-cells therapy. CAR T-cells is basically chimeric antigen T-cells. Basically, you modify the T-cells in such a way that they attach themselves to a particular antigen and then they do their work. So T-cell therapy has a lot of potential to be exploited and explored.
Good morning all.
Not there.
Good morning all. I am Soundarya from Sona College of Arts and Science. And I am here by presenting clinical decision support system for detecting lung cancer. As we all know, lung cancer is an uncontrolled cell growth in tissues of the lungs, and those mass of tissue
Soundarya, no?
cluster to form lung nodule. Nodules from 6 mm to 10 mm need to be diagnosed, or we should take steps for it. And we can detect lung cancer by using computer tomography and PET, computer-aided detections, etc.
And Soundarya,
Ma'am.
so how come this lung cancer can be cured? You can summarize? By habits, clean habits. Apart from the therapy and all.
Ma'am, by taking plenty of fruits, vegetables, and carotenoids and several vitamins, we can cure it easily, ma'am. Not completely, ma'am, but we can reduce the rate of risks, ma'am.
Is there any yogic practice?
I'm not sure about it.
So, You mean to say pranayama? see, our traditional practices, this is for all the students. I just want to say our traditional practices like yoga, the pranayama and all, it will be helping us to keep our lungs very healthier. So if you avoid smoking and avoid other habits which affects your lungs, this traditional practices can help you to boost your lungs, the lung capacity and everything. So students, please follow this exercise and pranayama to keep your lungs safe. Thank you, Soundarya. Thank you.
Myself, I am Surya from Sona College of Arts and Science, Salem. I am second BSc Biotechnology. Topic leukemia and factors in general.
Looks colorful.
Thank you, ma'am. Here's the contents on the next slides. It's just an introduction for leukemia. Leukemia is nothing but a type of cancer. It's a type of cancer which affects the tissues which synthesize and produces the blood cells like RBCs and WBCs. It's also commonly known as leukemia is a cancer of white blood cells because it mostly affects the white blood cells, which gives a vital role in the immune system of body to fight against any foreign bodies or any diseases.
Maturing in which organ? That's what his question. See, you said no.
Hematophysis. It is hematophysis.
Yeah, he mentioned all the cells, B cells, T cells, everything is produced in bone marrow. So, B cells, they choose to mature in, that's the question.
There are some primary as well as secondary immune organs. He's asking about that.
That one.
You know about thymus, spleen?
Ma'am, they didn't.
They might not be known, I think. Immunology, they didn't study.
Please.
Yeah, second year they didn't study any immunology, just a basic knowledge they have.
Nice presentation, Surya. The next
From-
candidate, please.
B cells mature from bone marrow. That's why they have that name B.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Surya.
Nice presentation, Surya. Your slides are very good and
Yes,
One more student.
we'll go with the next one. 11 o'clock, madam. Check time.
Yeah, that's what. Next
Ah,
presentation.
we'll go with the next session.
Okay.
Don't worry, everybody will be given the time to
Okay,
speak.
madam.
First, I would like to thank all of our distinguished panelists. And madam, you have to announce. And madam is going to announce the names of the best paper of session.
The first session, I would like to bring to your notice that all of them presented very well. They were excellent speakers. Dr. Raju, Dr. Lavanya Pratap, Dr. Bhuneshwari, and Dr. Grace, Leena, Krista. A great round of applause for all the invited speakers who were here. And it is not that everybody was excellent in their presentation, and there are 1 or 2 points only less for each and every one of them. So it was an unbiased scores. And on behalf of all the judges, I'm just informing you that Dr. Lavanya Pratap, she has the merit of scoring the best paper presentation. And also it is shared by Dr. Bhuneshwari, who presented us with a very good video. So there's a see how they are all excited. Only because of that, she is sharing the best paper presentation. There are 2, Lavanya Pratap as well as Dr. Bhuneshwari. Congratulations to both. Thank you.
Thank you on behalf of Lavanya ma'am also. Thank you.
Thank you all very much. As I told you, we're not breaking. Thank you, Dr. Brinda Devi. Thank you, Dr. Pratap. Thank you, Dr. Rajamani. Thank you very, very much. We also had 2 more people here. Dr. Grace. We are going to continue with the session here. I invite Dr. Jairam Reddy. Please come up, sir.